more midterm rising 7-month channel top that's performed well a few weeks ago in containing intermediate kind of midterm buying pressures. 574.90 is also found on the daily chart, 469.16. So the two combined form midterm resistance, able to contain buying into November, and below which this market remains susceptible, and I'm going to say likely, to fall back into the 359.41 to 362.93 region over the next month or two. On the way down, we have this former channel top at 408.02. This is a pivot point inside the upper 350s to mid 470s. Once tested, we can actually bottom out here. This is bottom picking territory for you, a 1 to 2 week swing traders, 2 to 3 week swing traders, holding above 408.02. Once tested, we can round back up into the 470s within 2 to 3 weeks. Inversely, closing below 408.2 would set up this kind of 1 to 2 month objective we still have in the 359.41 to 362.93 region, where we could actually bottom out through the rest of the year, and once tested, round up into this still anticipated 525.18 within 3 to 5 months or so of testing, 362.93. Now for the day itself, we do have this 446.38 descending channel top. It can contain daily buying pressures, and this gets to really the 3 to 5 day swing trade. Buying 408.02, selling 446.38. If we settle above 446.38, going long again to 469.16 over the following 3 to 5 days. And inside of that, we have that 3/8 upside Fibonacci, which contained Tuesday's high, roughly. It can contain intraday buying pressures, and if we push through or open above 434.10, the 446.38 level in reach today, where we could actually top out not only for the day, but potentially into next week. From here, fall back to 408.02 within 3 to 5 days of testing 446.38. If we were to close today once again above 446.38, we're 3 to 5 days away from retesting 469.16 up to the 474.90 level, where we could top out into November and fall away again. Downside, just one more time, that if we do close today below 408.02, and it is quite possible, given the fact that we tested channel resistance in the 460s, 470s just a couple of weeks ago. I've been mentioning how the 350s, 360s remain in reach. You could reach for 360 strike out of the money puts that don't expire for at least several months on this 1 to 2 month downside possibility. And that possibility becomes a probability if we close today below 408.02. And then likely within a week or two, say by the end of next week, where we could bottom out through the rest of the year and round up again through the rest of the year.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.